Happy birthday, Nathan! Happy, happy, happy birthday from Tita Jazz, pinakamaganda. We love you. Your best days are ahead of you.
Happy birthday, Nathan. Lumaki ka ng maayos at maging mabait ka sa mga magulang mo. More blessings sa family mo at lalong sa iyo. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Nathan. Dalangin ko sa Panginoong gabayan ka sa iyong paglaki, maging mabait na bata, at masunurin sa mami and daddy, at mapagmahal na kuya. Big hug and kisses. Love you.
Hi, Nathan. Bilis ng araw, no? Isang taon ka na. Naway, gabayan ka lagi ng Panginoon. Si Lola, kakanta para sa'yo. Happy birthday, Nathan. Mama Chup Chup, ingatan nawa. Salamat sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, baby Nathan, on behalf of the Kiambao family. Ako na po ang babate. Happy birthday, baby Nathan. Happy first birthday. And may God bless you always and all the good things come to you. May God always guide you and kawikaan dito sa East. And I know you're in good hands with your parents and you're very well taken care of. We miss you here sa house and yeah, ipilitin ko pa rin si mami magkaroon namin sa pambaby. Happy birthday! We miss you!
Happy birthday, baby Nathan! We thank God for always keeping you safe. We pray that you grow up to be a God-fearing child. You're such an adorable baby. We love you! Happy birthday!
Happy first birthday, baby Nathan!
Hello, baby Nathan! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Nathan!
Yung gift mo ay Ninang Julie! We love you, my baby!
Hello po, we're just going to greet to baby Nathan Domingo for his first birthday. May God bless you and keep you always safe. Nilos amamos a Dios. Pag-ibig.
Hi Nathan, happy birthday to you. 1 year old, happy birthday. Be good boy. To daddy, mommy, Auntie Joyce sing you a birthday song. Happy birthday to you.
Hello Nathan, happy birthday to you. Going to 1 year old. Have to be a good boy, grow up happy and healthy, and most importantly, must be filial to your mama and papa. Okay? Alright, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nathan! Happy birthday, Nathan! God bless you! We love you!
Happy birthday, Nathan! Alam namin hindi mo po maiintindihan ngayon yung mga messages namin, pero I hope in the future you get a chance to hear all our messages for you. Nung ipinanganak ka, hindi lang si nanay at tatay mo yung masaya. We were all very happy for your mom and dad. And your existence is a proof of God's loving kindness. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa Diyos na nandyan ka. Happy, happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Apo! Nat-nat! Sayang, wala si Lola. Ayun, dun si Bubu. Anyway, happy birthday, Apo-apo kong pogi. Enjoy! Bye!
Blessed happy birthday, 1 year old Apo from Canada. Grandma and Grandpa. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello Nathan. Happy first birthday. Hello, Nathan! Happy first birthday! I wish you good health. At sana lumaki kang mabait at mapagmahal na anak kay tatay at nanay. Bye-bye! Love you! Mama Linda and Papa Otto. Kapamilya, kamusta kayo dyan? Kain nyo na lang kami. Bye sa lahat!
Happy birthday, Nathan! Ingatan nawa!
Many more balloons and cakes to come.
We love you!
We love you!
Love you, baby!
Happy birthday, Nathan! Happy birthday, Nathan! Happy first birthday! Sorry if wala kami dyan ngayon because, syempre pa, medyo mahal ang ticket, alam mo na. So, wish ko lang sa'yo maging mabuting bata, okay? Sumunod kay nanay saka kay tatay. So, good health palagi, okay? Oh,
Happy birthday, Nathan!
Happy birthday, Kuya Nathan!
Happy birthday, Kuya Nathan! Happy first birthday! We hope we see you soon!
Happy birthday, Nathan! Hope to see you soon. Ingat kayo ni Ninang, Tito at ni Sabin.
Happy birthday!
Say happy birthday!
Canada!
From Canada! Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Nathan! Bye!
Hello, Nathan. We wish and pray na lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, masunurin sa iyong magulang, mapagmahal na bata at malagain sa iyong baby sister. And of course, sa lahat ng tao. And we wish you a happy first birthday, Nathan. We love you. See you soon. Ikaw naman. Bye-bye.
Sausaw suka, mahuli tayo. Sausaw suka, mahuli tayo.
Hello, Kuya Nathan. My name is Kuya Prince, and I wish you that you would grow up like a good boy.
Hello?
Hello, Kuya Nathan. I am Ate Princess. I hope you have a wonderful day and take care of Sabine.
Yes. Hello, Kuya Nathan. This is Tita Donna. You know that you're being an answered prayers to your parents and to us. We're very, very glad that you born with, of course, with baby Sabine. Hope and wish that you'll be a good boy. And always, as I always tell to Kuya Prince and Ate Princess, always choose to be
good.
Good, yes. And always obey your parents and be a God-fearing individuals. Happy birthday again. Hope to see you soon. Bye, Kuya Nathan.
Bye.
Happy birthday. Bye. See you soon.
Hi, Nathan. How are you?
Happy birthday!
Yeah, happy birthday. We're so happy na 1-year-old ka na and excited to see you on your birthday. We hope na maging masaya ka sa birthday mo and maging very successful yung celebration natin for your birthday.
You are a very special boy because your name, Nathaniel, means God has given. And we are all very grateful to God that dumating ka sa buhay naming lahat, and you are such a blessing, and we are very happy for you. We pray that you will grow up loving God all the days of your life.
Yeah, happy birthday. And kita tayo dyan sa birthday mo.
We love
I love
you.
Hi Nathan! Happy birthday! 1-year-old ka na. Big boy ka na. Well, Tito won't wish anything else but for you to grow up healthy and of course God-fearing. So I hope that you will always pray to God and God will always take care of you.
Happy birthday, baby Nathan namin. When you grow up, be a God-fearing person, ha? And Tita and Tito and Ate Aya will always be here for you. Okay? We love you, baby. Happy birthday.
Ate Aya.
We love you, Nathan. Happy birthday. You pray to God when you grow up. Sleep well.
Sleep well.
When you grow up, I will teach you how to play.
You say it.
How to play PS4. I have a Nathan and Minna.
Okay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nathan.
Happy birthday.
We love you.
Love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday pala kay Nathan. Nathan, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Maligayang kaarawan, Nathan. Ako po si Tita Priscilla. I just wanna wish you a wonderful birthday party and a wonderful day. Mag-enjoy nga dyan. Tsaka, laging ka dapat mabuti. Ano ha? Bata. Your best regards. May you enjoy today and may God bless you, anak. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Nathan, and God bless you always.
Pagbati kay Nathan ng happy first birthday sa iyo at pagpalain ka ng Panginoon ang iyong mga magulang at ang inyong sambahayan. God bless.
Happy birthday.